Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The GOC has his own team now doing oil bunkering for him. Because he wants to be chief of army staff. If you give that kind of person chief of army staff, what kind of security would we have in this country? The security are also part of the oil bunkering. Nobody can hide it. When you see his own task force are doing oil bunkering for him, what will he do? Will he arrest them? Will arrest them? So he has his own team that making money for him. That's why he feels comfortable that nobody can. May God save Nigeria. You know this bunkering cannot stop. Let's take it. Let's be serious about it. Everybody's involved. The military is involved. Police is involved. The way they call it civil. If not, there's no way bunkering can continue. Navy is involved. Well, I've said military, so it's a terrible thing. It's a terrible thing. I don't know. Whether we should take the issue of bunkering to be even be more serious than treason. We should take it to be more serious than treason. If you go around and see what has happened to our environment, you pity for us. You pity for us. And unfortunately, we have no helper except still continue to pray to God to touch the minds of our people who are involved in this bunkering act.
Inside the Niger Delta,